This is Susan Bradley for AskWoody.com, and this is Tasks for the Weekend, May 1st, 2021. Today I'm going to talk about an option that some of you may want to do, but some of you may not want to do. So, what is it? So now that the new Edge is on our Windows 10 machine, some of you may wonder, why do we have Internet Explorer still left behind? I mean, isn't it an older platform? Isn't it something that we should remove because it's less secure? Some of you might think that, but not so fast. Certain applications still depend on Internet Explorer being on our systems. For example, in the small business space, QuickBooks is a big accounting package, and QuickBooks still demands that Internet Explorer is on that system. Other applications you have may need it as well. So, I don't recommend this as a normal task for everyone. However, if you're a little adventuresome, if you have a backup, and you want to test to see if you can make your machine a little more secure, if you're a bit of a beta tester, this is an option you can do. So here's how to remove Internet Explorer from Windows 10. And this is specific to the 20H2 version of Windows 10. They all do similar kinds of things. You go into Settings, and then to Apps, and then to Apps and Features. From here it slightly changes depending on the versions. If you have 1909, it may be a little different. But on a 20H2, you go into Optional Features, click on Internet Explorer 11, click to remove it, and restart the machine. And I'll show you what I mean. So here I have my test machine, Windows 10, and I click on the Start button. I click on Settings. I go down here to Apps, click on Apps and Features, click on Optional Features, and you can see Internet Explorer is installed. If I want to uninstall it, I click the button, it removes it, and it wants me to reboot the machine. So now comes the part where you check with your applications and see if anyone complains. Like I said, QuickBooks does require Internet Explorer. So if you find that you need to put it back, you go basically back through the same settings, click on Optional Features, and this time add Internet Explorer 11, and then reboot the system. So again, this is not for everyone. This is only for those who want to take and remove Internet Explorer 11. And again, you want to test with your applications because some of them still require it. So until next time, have a great week. Newsletter once again comes out tomorrow. DEF CON has changed to DEF CON 4. It's okay to patch. Until next time, this is Susan Bradley for AskWoody.com.